Hello tech lovers, today's video is on F183 mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. There are different types of devices, and we are surrounded by all kinds of devices. Devices are an unseparated part of our life. One of them is a drone. Drones are very liked by us. For different reasons, we need different types of drones. Normal drones are different from mini drones. For various reasons, someone may choose normal drones, and for various reasons, someone may choose mini drones. The product we are discussing is a budget mini drone. We have chosen this for various reasons. Let's hear them out. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is 32 by 32 by 6.5 centimeters in expanded size and 16 by 13 by 6.5 centimeters in folded size. It looks great as a whole. You can have it in a black color and white color. With the LED lights and curves in the body, it looks great. It has 4K high-definition Wi-Fi camera, which can shoot in the style of a blockbuster. It has 90-degree adjusting ability, so that you can have amazing eye-level shots and shoot from above. It has long-life modular battery. The modular battery is easy to install and remove. It is a 3.7 volts 1200 mAh lithium battery. The battery is designed in such a good way, and with such great elements that it has longevity and durability. Its large capacity and quality helps to enjoy about 20 minutes of flight time. Now it is time to discuss various functions of F183 mini drone. Optical flow hovering is a stabilization feature of a drone. It stabilizes the drone. It helps the drone to hover at a specific height and place. Sometimes there are some scenes that require a stable shot from a stable place. This feature makes it possible to keep the drone in a stable place. This drone has an optical flow hovering system with one-key stabilization. With no throttle control or steering stick control, the flight can also maintain horizontal height, allowing for excellent image capture. You can also click photos and record videos after showing specific gestures without doing much. You will be able to easily take pictures and videos with no extra hassle. This feature is liked by most of drone flyers. They find it very helpful. With this, you can have an excellent shooting experience. You have to show gestures to the camera to take a photo or a video at your command. You can show your palm to take a photo and show your fist to take a video. This drone can do some operations that can be operated from a single key operation. Its one-key operation makes it simple to get started and enjoy one-key takeoff and landing. It helps you to make taking off and landing process easy. And it helps the most when confronted with unexpected situations. A single touch can enable multifunctional operation. Wi-Fi transmission is one of the most useful features of a drone. It keeps your flying process enjoyable because it provides real-time aerial image viewing and gives you opportunity to have fun. Without this feature, it becomes a boring process to fly a drone. You can download the official app, connect to the WAV's Wi-Fi, and you will be able to control it completely from your phone. It has head-free mode, and with this head-free mode, it will be easy to operate your drone. It will be easy to understand the direction of the drone and operate it easily. There's no need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flying. And as we mentioned earlier, finding your way home is easy with the one-touch return feature. 360-degree rolling feature is an impressive feature to watch, because it's pretty fun to watch a drone doing a stunt. The stunt provides fun by showing the stunt directly, and you will also get some unique views and clips. It has beautiful LED lighting built in with it. The LED lights provide some much-needed light and also help other flying devices know about the presence of this drone. These LED lights also help people to know where the drone is. Without a doubt, LED lights are very helpful in different situations. Zooming ability is helpful in lots of situations. Zooming ability gives us the capability to capture things from a closer view. Sometimes it provides us with perfect framing. The more zooming ability one device has, the more good it is, and the more you will be able to get advantages too. This drone has gravity control. Gravity control makes the controlling process easy. The drone can be controlled with some easy moves. It will act according to your moves and tilts. Track flight. You can do track following. You can draw a track and the drone will follow that track. It is very easy to do, and operating the drone with this feature is very easy. Speed adjustment. You can also do speed adjustment in it. You can operate it at a high speed and also will be able to operate at a low speed. You can also control it through your phone. And controlling a drone with the phone is more comfortable for some of us. Sometimes it is contemporary too. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this drone. The pros are great gesture operation, great design and looks, intelligent following, headless mode. The cons are no bottom camera, no obstacle avoidance. After seeing the positive sides and negative sides of the drone, we think it is a quite good one. It is budget-friendly for sure. And in this budget the features and qualities are good. If you are searching for a budget mini drone, then you should consider it as a good choice. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.